This week we worked on the closet doors and laundry doors that we were missing. We passed electrical inspection and we were able to continue on the electrical work now that we have power. We also finished the backsplash and painted some missing items in the kitchen. We also did the plumbing, installed the fixtures that we have available. We have the electrical fixtures installed, the vanity in the master bathroom, lights are working. We just need to finish touching up a few items. And right now we have everything ready for Terry to come in and do the floors. Thank you for watching and we'll see us next week.